horse day. So we're turning. Yep, time to stop the train. Never mind, we got a little more cars over here from that train. The train is lots and loads of fun. Are we turning that way?
Huh?
Are we turning that way where that train is?
No. Going straight.
Oh yeah, the truck could not turn because of the train. Well, that's good, because you know what that means. I have to relax and video the train. Don't worry, this is good. Just get sit back, relax, watch the train go by. There's a refrigerator car right there. Oh my god, that car.
That's what's going on, okay. I'm stopping this thing because I want to go straight. Didn't realize that's what was going on.
New tank car. All refrigerator cars, 3 of them. Small hopper cars. And we got more hopper cars over here too.